Row, sweat, and stay strong with the SFRW 1205 rowing machine. Prepare for an excellent full-body workout. Lower and middle back, leading to better toning, strength, balance, and posture. The sliding rower incline provides for an excellent cardiovascular workout and improves joint mobility to your knees, hips, shoulders, and elbows. Set goals on your easy-to-read digital monitor. Anti-slip foot plates come with adjustable straps for secure footing. The hydraulic cylinder provides 12 resistance levels. Stay challenged for both your lower and upper body. Ergonomically padded seat and cushioned non-slip grip handlebars offer plenty of comfort and support. Achieve your fitness goals today.
It is rare to find an activity that works as many muscle groups through as wide a range of motion as rowing. The Xterra ERG200 rower delivers an impact-free, effective, full-body cardiovascular workout that will increase your fitness level and tone your physique. The Xterra ERG200 combines the smooth motion of dual aluminum seat slide rails with the quiet and maintenance-free operation of magnetic resistance to give you the realistic feel of rowing on water. The angled aluminum rails combined with 8 levels of resistance will provide a challenging workout for users of all fitness levels. To adjust your resistance, simply turn the tension knob to the desired setting and start rowing. You will be able to measure your training progress with a large LCD monitor by tracking your time, stroke count, and calories burned. And to ensure a great viewing angle throughout the workout, you can adjust the monitor angle to wherever works best for you. The large contoured seat pad and oversized Velcro adjustable straps make the Xterra ERG200 perfect for users of all sizes. The non-slip handle is designed to cut down on fatigue and offers a comfortable workout experience with padded grips. With its low seat height, the Xterra ERG200 keeps a low profile, and it can quickly and easily be folded and rolled away for convenient storage. To give you peace of mind, the Xterra ERG200 is covered by a full 1-year warranty on the frame and parts. Start enjoying the benefits of an effective cardiovascular, non-impact workout today with your very own Xterra ERG200 rower.
Keep your workouts fresh and challenging with the SFRW 5639 full motion rowing machine. High-quality steel frame has a weight capacity up to 350 pounds to handle the toughest of workouts. Smooth, sturdy slide rail is long enough to accommodate a powerful leg drive motion. The full motion arms will allow more range of motion like rowing in the water. This requires more muscle activation, making this a more efficient workout. Accomplish more in less time. Increase the resistance with the convenient knob located under the side rail. The LCD digital monitor will accurately keep track of your workout progress. High-performance, sweat-resistant rubber hand grips keep your hands in place with every push and pull. Textured slip-resistant foot pedals accommodate all foot sizes. Adjustable foot straps for secure footing. Pivoting feature increases the range of motion in the leg drive action. Large padded seat provides comfort and support. Stay motivated in reaching your fitness goals with the SFRW 5639 full motion row. The perfect fitness solution for your home is here with the RW5633 Air Rowing Machine. The efficient footprint design does not require a lot of space, making this a perfect machine for any home. Air resistance can make a workout fun and satisfying. The integrated fan system creates resistance using air. The dynamic response of the fan wheel makes the workout challenging and smooth. Rowing machines use over 80% of the body's skeletal muscle, resulting in a faster rate of burning calories than other types of cardio machines. Virtually no impact is placed on the body, reducing the amount of stress on the joints. Increase your workout intensity with 8 levels of resistance. The digital monitor calculates your workout gains and losses. The fully padded seat and non-slip grip handlebars provide optimal comfort and support for those long-duration workouts. Large anti-slip pivoting foot pedals allow for increased range of motion for more efficient strokes. The straps keep the feet in place during the leg drive action. The slide rail is smooth and quiet, and the length can accommodate many heights. Storage is simple with the foldable design and integrated transportation wheels. Once you start, you won't stop with the RW56